Okay, there's a couple ways about going about this problem. One is to estimate, the other one is to think logically. And let's start with the estimating one. So if I look at 5,341 divided by 5 thousandths, I want to probably round that to the nearest thousands place, and that would be about 5,000. Because if I'm looking 5341, 5,341, I'm going to look at the number next to the thousands place. This is the thousands place. I want to look at the 3, and the 3 is lower than 5 or smaller than 5, so we're going to leave it 5,000. And then we'll divide it by 5 thousandths. All fractions mean divide, write the denominator outside. The denominator would be 5 thousandths. And the inside number, our dividend, would be 5,000. So we want to change those so that they are whole numbers, and that would be so much easier to multiply both of them by 1,000. That way I would move my decimal 3 places to the right, and I would get 5 divided by not just 5,000, but I would add 3 more zeros to 5 million. And if I divide now, 5 divided into 5 parts goes once, and I have left over nothing, but I have all these zeros, so I don't want to forget about those in my answer. So our answer is about 1 million. The second way to think about this is if you have a lot of things, if you have 5,000 things and you're dividing them into really super tiny pieces, you're going to have a lot of them. So that's why we get such a bigger answer when we are dividing a bigger number, by a super tiny piece